Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Beauty Style Mama. Today I am going to share another facial system which is sent by Nowmi.com. It's like that. It's a big box and they send me for testing and review this product, and I used it 2 or 3 times now and I find it very good. And I will link the website in my description, you will see. And it comes with this facial machine, like, can you see that? It's a facial machine, and these are vitamin C. See, it's a vitamin C. Yeah, it's a vitamin C from the company. It's a vitamin C capsules which is used for exfoliation your skin. And another thing which is, it comes with facial gel. It says it is vitamin E, B3, B5 and Dead Sea minerals. Recommended for use with the Nowmi Pro silicone brush to ensure results. And it is also rechargeable. It comes with this charger, and when you start charging it from here, the light start to show in red from here, and when it become fully charged, it will stop, the light will stop. Okay, I am telling you the all instruction because there is no instruction. You have to go to the website for all the instructions. And another thing which comes in that, it's very different from other. It's a lubricant gel, and I think that's it. There is no manual in it, but I already saw the website and see some kind of videos from the company that it shows how to use it. So today I am going to use it in front of you so you can see what's the result. And like this is the portion where you can fit your vitamin C tablet, and this is the facial massaging area, and this is its 2-minute facial. So let's see, it's 2 minutes or it's 5 minutes. So first of all, the process is I have to wet my face first. So I am going to wet my face from my washroom, so I'll be right back. After wet my all face, I use this facial cleansing gel, and it is very gel-like consistency, and I use it like, it smells very fresh and very good. After applying this, I start using this. This is the start button. Can you see the start button here? And there is a plus and minus sign over there, like you have to adjust the speed according to your skin sensitivity. So my skin is not sensitive, like all you know, so I start rubbing like this. Normally I have no issues about my skin, but something around my nose, I have very severe blackheads sometimes, and they are very rigid. So I always doing my facial, like sometimes I used to rub my nose so much it becomes sometimes red, but this cream, it's a cleansing gel, sorry, it's a cleansing gel, didn't dry my skin so much. That's it, and I am going to wash my face again, and then I will use the this lubricant and this vitamin C capsule. So I'll be right back. After washing my face, I use this product. It's a vitamin C capsule, and oh my god, I think I cannot open. Oh yeah, there is a opening thing in this sachet, and this is like big tablet. Don't eat it, okay? It's vitamin C, I know that, but don't eat it. You put this tablet over here like this, and the lubricant gel which comes in it, you put the drop of the gel like this, and start exfoliating, and you have to press this start button also like this. Did you hear the sound? Yeah, it's like oh, it's a vitamin C, it's little itchy, and I emphasize on my nose because it's exfoliating thing, so I don't want to exfoliate my all face, because after that my skin becomes dry. So I only emphasize on my nose, but I am doing the parts of my face which is normally oily. But the tablet is so big, so my face is so small and the tablet is so big, and it is not completely melt on my face. So sometimes I'm thinking that it becomes waste of the tablet. I don't know if you agree with that or not, because after using it I cannot use it again, because it's a vitamin C and I don't know, it is not reusable. But the feel of this machine is very good, and you can handle it very good in your hand like this, and it is imposing thing like this, gives you very good grip on the machine. And another thing which I want to tell you, like the buttons are in the same color like in this machine. You cannot see on the camera like this, and if you are using your specs and without specs you are doing your facial, you cannot see it properly. Like, can you see the plus? This is plus and this is minus sign, but you cannot. After exfoliation and washing my face, the result you will see that. And this is not the acne, this is insect bite on my skin, so it is not because of this I am using. This is from another thing. And I want to tell you some plus point from this. It says it is best home-based anti-aging treatment for your glowing skin. You can see my skin becomes so clean, and it's a weekly facial system which costs you very fractional from your normally going to facial for somewhere else. It cleansing, it tightening your pores and hydrate your skin, because vitamin C is very good for your skin, and it revitalizes your skin very much. And the very good thing in it is that it's clinically proved. So it is very powerful sonic energy in it, see, which I really like it. And the problem is that which I don't like it, the tablet it comes, it's very big and it's only one time use, and after finishing, and this box consists of I think 5 tablets in it, and when you finish all the tablets you have to buy another packet from the company, but you can buy it. These days there is a sale, I think, on the website. You can go and buy the facial kit and you will get free refills or something like that. I really have no sure about it, but you can check on the website. I will link in the description about the website. And this is my PR product, but the all opinion is mine, and it's very honest opinion about the product, so I like it. I don't know about your skin, because if your skin is sensitive, don't go for this. But if your skin is normal, oily or dry, you can give this a try. It's very good home-based facial, and it only you can give your skin 5 minutes spa treatment to your skin. So this is all my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you for your very beautiful comments and your beautiful words. So keep watching my videos till my next video. Bye.